Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we will learn how to solve the practice problem parallel or perpendicular. So first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. Basically the concept is A dot B, that means A dot B product. If it's 0 then A and B are perpendicular. These are vectors. Okay, these are the two given vectors. Now if A into B cross product, and if I find the square of this cross product and if it is 0, then A and B are considered to be parallel. Okay, so we need to find the dot product of A and B, and we need to find the cross product of A and B. Once we find them and once we check if they are 0 accordingly, then we would be able to determine if it is perpendicular or parallel, or if it is not anything. Okay, so I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the solution part. Okay, you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose school. Okay, after that you need to find the problem parallel or perpendicular. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay, so let's solve the problem now. Okay, here is the question. Okay, given two force vectors, find out whether they are parallel, perpendicular or neither. Let the first vector be a1 dot I plus a2 j plus a3 k, and the second vector be b equal to b1 I plus b2 j plus b3 k. We need to find the dot and the cross product, and then we need to check if the vectors are perpendicular or parallel or neither. So I hope the question is clear to you, and we would be coding it over here. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let's start. Enter first dot product. Okay, I would find the dot product. 1 minute. Dot product equal to, okay, so dot product is equal to A 0. Okay, that means the first element, cross B 0. Okay, then plus A 1 cross B, not cross, that is multiply. So B1, okay, then plus, okay, A2 multiply B2. Okay, this is the dot product, and now the cross product. 1 minute. Now guys, if you need help how to find the cross product and dot product, it is done over here. So you can just see the formula and write it accordingly. Okay, so I would just do for the cross product. 1 minute. So according to the formula, the cross product would be this. Okay, basically A1 into B2 minus A2 into B1. Again, I am telling you, if you want help, you can take the help from this formula. Okay, and then you can find the cross product and dot product accordingly. Okay, after cross product, the next thing that I need to do is, 1 minute, I need to check if the cross product is 0 or if the dot product is 0 or not, right? So first let's check for cross product. Okay, cross product. Okay, then equal to 0. If this is true, then what? Then return 1. Okay, else elif, let's say elif dot product, okay, dot product is equal to 0, then what? Then it is return true 2, right? Return 2. Okay, else if it is nothing, the product is not 0, then I can just directly say return 0. That means it is neither perpendicular nor parallel. Okay, now I have done the code and I need to check if it is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Compilation is completed, and basically my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the problem. Let's wait. The problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem parallel or perpendicular. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.